So hello guys, this is my second video of learning English, and I have started from 1st January to speak in English at least 5 to 6 minutes daily. And if you want to learn with me English, you can basically follow me. So first of all, you have to create an English environment around you if you want to learn English language. And if you want to get fluency, you have to practice daily at least 5 to 6 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes as you can. So guys, I want to introduce myself once again. My name is Vikas Sani and I am from UP, Devariya. But I am currently living in Lucknow, preparing from GATE exams and government exams. I have recently passed BTech in electrical engineering with 8.37 CGPA, and I have lack of fluency in English, and I am a little afraid of stage fear. So I was thinking about this problem, and so I started practicing English in front of camera, in front of mirror, uh, at least 5 to 6 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so that I could conquer this stage fear and get fluency in English. So if you want to learn English with me, you can basically follow me. Most important thing in English language speaking, that you have to create an environment, basically English language environment, such that a baby born in a family, and as long as he grow up, he starts speaking Hindi automatically. Why? Because he got environment of Hindi language or Bhojpuri language or any language in America. uh, uh, Child automatically speak English because they get environment. So you have to create an environment of English language. So you have to follow English newspapers, English news, English reels, English YouTube channels, and you have to watch also English news channels, so that you get environment. And many people think that what topic they will talk uh, on camera, in front of mirror. So I have one solution for that. You can select one or two trending news or more trending news to speak on that topic, and present your views on that topic, so that it will be easy to apply critical thinking on that topic, uh, to get precise views on that topic. Basically you have to apply critical thinking. Like I have selected two news from today. One news is from our UP. A woman is in a or two women is in rally, uh, and one of them is saying that uh, all BJP leaders who wants service, home service, I will give them service. Come to me, and he is showing uh, a a weapon made of iron, which is used in ripening, basically ripening crops like wheat and maize type crops from the root. So she is showing that. And second news is that one boy who was showing the truth of a Jharkhand candidate named Raja Mauli, I think. Uh, he was exposing that person, and that person send group of people are group of gangsters, and they attacked that boy, beat very badly, and he run away. At least he was telling 5 kilometer. He ran 5 kilometer and go to first police station, not hospital. He went police station so that he could save her life, and nobody helped in his way. In his way, and so he was showing the truth on social media, and he is in trending. So I think it is enough for today. And uh, if you want to speak English with me, get fluency with me, you can follow me. Thank you.